Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like reading a lot. What about you? Do you like reading?
No. I don't like reading much. I prefer listening to music. I like listening to music on my phone.
I like playing music better than listening to music on my phone. Hi, Sally. Do you like watching movies?
Hi, Fiona. Yes. I like watching movies. I like going to the cinema.
Do you like eating out, Sally?
I like eating out sometimes. But I prefer to stay at home. I'm a good cook.
We prefer eating out. I'm not a good cook at all. James likes listening to music a lot. Do you like listening to music too? Yes. I like music a lot. I like going to concerts with my friends. What about you? Do you like going to concerts?
We prefer small concerts. We don't like going to big music festivals.
I agree with you. Big festivals are too noisy for me.